I just need a reason. I just need to know what's on your mind. Tell me what you're needing. You can call my name, I'll be around. Dum da da, dum dum da da, dum da da, dum dum da da, dum dum. The sky is falling. Dum dum da da, dum dum da da, dum da da, dum dum da da. That will keep you safe and sound. Dum da da, dum dum da da, dum da da, dum dum da da, dum dum. The sky is falling. Dum dum da da, dum dum da da, dum da da, dum dum da da. That will keep you safe and sound.
Hello and welcome back to the Tim Foster YouTube channel, and welcome to Normandy, France, where I have rented this incredible house for my birthday with my friends, and I hope you can follow along for a weekend of fun. The infamous Joe.O is here. How you feeling about this house?
Incredible. No, it's amazing. Honestly, one of the nicest houses I've ever been to, and it's going to be a very, very nice weekend for a very special person and a very special landmark in his life.
I don't know who he's talking about, it can't be me. But someone that must actually be nice. But here we are, and we're actually at the back of the house right now. So it has this amazing ivy growing over it. It has a pool which is currently covered up a little bit right now. Sorry, I'm having to change the exposure. The sun is incredibly bright, and has this huge garden. It actually has two outhouses over there that I've rented out as well, so I'll show you those in a minute. But just take a look, if I step back without falling in the pool, at this house. It is absolutely incredible. Matilda B, famous on TikTok. The TikTok crew are here. Look, she's already setting up a table.
She's ready.
Where's the TikTok tripod?
The TikTok tripod is currently filming the customized hoodies.
Right,
So,
yeah, of course.
I should have brought two.
Absolutely, we're setting up. And here's Kareen,
The DJ.
the DJ, DJ Cute, and Isabel as well. Hello, Isabel. Isabel, can you turn around? I want to see the hoodie. There it is. Amazing. Oh yeah, there you go. Perfect. Here we are, setting up outside for a little late evening dinner. So Joe and Tilly have come in their little Mini Cooper S, roof down. The roads around Normandy are absolutely insane. And of course, I have the trusted Defender. So we have the front gate down here leading up to the main house, and it is absolutely enormous, incredible. We have the kind of turret over here. Obviously the Defender's parked outside front. Joe with two working headlights, I'm very jealous. Parking up the car out there as well so we can get a nice little shot of the two. But yeah, here we are. It's about 7 p.m. The sun is nowhere near setting, but it's low, so we're getting a lot of light and a lot of daylight, and we've literally arrived about an hour ago. We are unsure what he's saying, but he's currently stood in his car. I think this is all just for a Be Real. This is content creation at its finest here. Here we are then, at the forest house. Let's go and take a look down the little wooden path through to these amazing huts. Let's go inside. The door open inwards? Yes, it does. Okay, here we are. Look at this, and look at that view. All the way out there to the fields from your little lounge. And it even has like a kind of Scandinavian hot tub, which is going to be unbelievable. I'm going to test that out as well. So, as I mentioned, we have how do I work this? So we have the main house, and then we have two. So we have another hut down there, and then this one as well for our guests, for my guests that are arriving just a little bit later on. So nice in this weather. Unbelievable.
I just need a reason. I just need to know what's on your mind. Tell me what you're needing. You can call my name.
Drag it straight up.
Cooking is happening. Here she is. Emma's here. I don't know, are you partying or cooking? Look at all these amazing tomatoes. Fantastic. Carla, like it, Carla. The inspiration for my 30th birthday party after his last year. Bernard, no sabraging on skis this time. He'll be sabraging on grass.
Yeah.
Cooking is happening. Ludwig's cutting. Look, everybody's going. Alright, now it's time for some wine tasting with Barry Vargas, which is my girlfriend's brother's new champagne brand. So very, very excited to try this, taste this. We have this amazing table set up. So yeah, let's get into it. So we have the Barry Vargas placemats here, even with custom napkins. Pietro's very excited about his custom napkin. You know you can take it home. What's your rating?
Last one, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, you heard that? 10 out of 10.
Here he is, the champagne maker himself.
But it was you. He was like, it was me. I want my own. He was DJ. And then he was like,
It's time for the pool party at the pool. Sorry if the music's loud. Don't want to ruin the vibe and turn it off. So the pool is in front of the house here. We have lots of these little cup holders for the pool, so people are not going to spill their drinks. A birthday cake, I believe that's for me. And of course, a lot of shot glasses. So let's see what happens.
Keep you safe and sound. The sky is falling. I will keep you safe and sound. The sky is falling. I will keep you safe and sound. I just need a reason.